Hi my friends, today we're going to do a origami flower. So this time we gotta help you practice your fine motor skills by cutting and folding an origami. So first we need to make sure that we have a square paper. So we'll show you how to do it. Materials for this, we need construction paper, pencil, some glue, and scissors. Okay, so here we have a square and we can begin fold in half at the other point. And do it again on the other side. So we fold it in the middle. This way we have two small triangles. And then we will fold in. And flip it over. And we fold it. And in the middle, we fold it once more. So this is the petal of the flower, and we're going to glue them together. So you have done one petal, and in total you would need about 6 of them. Alright, so we have completed another petal. We'll show you how we glue them together to make an origami flower. And then you can just glue the rest of your petals. Great. Next, we can draw the circle. That's for the center. There you go. Here is our origami flower. Hope you enjoy it and you can make one your own soon.